Hello guys, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add a warning alert in your WordPress blog or page like this using Divi Builder. I have added this warning message using Divi Builder. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now once you successfully logged into your site, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here we will add a new plugin. For this, search Divi Tark. Here you can see Divi Tark add-on plugin. Now click on install now. Once the plugin installed, click on activate. Now it will take you to these settings. I will skip these settings, just click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel. Also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. After this, go to posts and click on all posts. Now select post in which you want to add warning message and then click on edit with Divi. Now go to the place where you want to add warning message. I want to add here. Just click on this plus button and then click on this regular section. Add a single row. Now here you have to select a module. Scroll down. These modules with the name of Tark comes with the add-on plugin that we have added now, the Divi Tark. Here you can see the Tark alert module. Select this module. Now you can see the warning message appears. Now here you can use an icon. I will add a warning icon. Select this one. Now scroll down. Here you have to add title. I will add warning. Add body. Description I will add. Don't copy text from this post. Now go to settings. You can make it warning or danger or info, and this color will change after any setting. I will select this danger. Now here you can change the background color, like you can add black, you can change it to red, but I will make it default. Now go to design. Here you have icon setting. You can change the size of icon, you can change the color of icon. I will change to this red one. That's the icon setting. Now go to dismiss. Here is the dismiss icon. You can make it larger. I will make it 25. Change its color to black. Now from text you can add alignment and shadow, but I will collapse this one. Just go to this title text. Now I will change its font style to Alata. Make it bold. Change its color to dark black and size to 20. Now collapse title section and go to body text. I will make it able and make it bold. Now change its style to size to 18. Make it red. Now collapse this section and here you can see the box shadow. I will add this box shadow and it will appear like that. Now go to animation and make it fade. Now click on the stick button, click on these three dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated your post. Just take a live review. For this, click on exit visual builder button. Now scroll down to the place where you have added the text. Here you can see the warning message appears. You can see the title, the description and the collapse button. When you click on it, this message will collapse like that. That's how you can add warning message in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for future updates about Divi Builder. Thanks for watching.